Listen to this quote. "I see no hope for the future of our people if they are dependent on the frivolous youth of today." While those words could easily appear in a recent business op-ed, they actually belong to the Greek poet Hesiod, written in the 8th century BC. Complaining about the habits of the younger generation is an ancient, unbroken human habit that has existed for all of recorded history. Today, the stakes have evolved. For the first time, 5 distinct generations, Traditionalists, Boomers, Gen X, Millennials, and Gen Z, are attempting to share the exact same professional space. This contrasts sharply with the uniformity of past work environments, where the office was largely a monoculture of age and social expectation. The friction felt in the office today stems from a structural, generational collision rather than individual personality clashes. This conflict requires a specific framework to navigate. Achieving intergenerational alignment starts with consciously stopping the habit of generational shaming. Older generations frequently criticize Millennials and Gen Z for demanding constant praise, expecting instant gratification, and wanting trophies merely for participation. To move past this, you must build an empathy bridge by seeking the context behind these behaviors. Consider the participation trophies often cited as a sign of entitlement. As one young professional pointed out, they didn't hand those awards to themselves. The adults raising them created that environment. Younger generations grew up with constant parental coaching, instantaneous internet feedback, and the economic skepticism caused by the Great Recession. When a junior employee asks for constant feedback, they are executing the 1-minute management loop they have been conditioned to expect since childhood. When leaders replace instinctive judgment with this contextual empathy, they neutralize age-based friction and open the door for effective communication. Once the empathy bridge is in place, you can deploy a functional strategy, reverse mentoring. For centuries, an entry-level employee walked through the door bringing few functional skills to an organization that a senior executive didn't already possess. The arrival of the digital age upended this traditional power dynamic. Today, entry-level professionals arrive equipped with technological instincts and cultural fluency that senior leaders often lack. Visionary leaders learn to utilize this skill gap. In 1999, General Electric CEO Jack Welch required 500 of his top executives to pair with junior employees to learn how to navigate the internet. Similarly, the CEO of the Estée Lauder companies launched a program where younger employees taught executives modern retail habits, like analyzing online reviews and ordering ahead on mobile devices. Asking a junior employee, "What don't I know?" is the most powerful question a leader can ask in this environment. Reverse mentoring inverts the traditional corporate structure. This inversion allows critical digital skills to flow upward while validating the competence of junior employees. Success in a 5-generation environment requires social flexibility, the ability to adapt your leadership style to the context of the person in front of you. Empathy cures generational shaming, ensuring older workers are respected for their wisdom, while younger workers are understood for their context. Simultaneously, reverse mentoring breaks down outdated hierarchies to build intensely loyal future leaders. By using the empathy bridge to understand behavior and reverse mentoring to exchange skills, you can now calibrate your communication to the generational frequency of anyone in the room. But how do you handle it when you are put on the spot with no time to prepare your approach? In video 20, we will tackle impromptu speaking, showing you how to maintain structured composure and think faster on your feet. I will see you there.